receipts or cash inflows. They are collection from customer and receipt of interest. So you add all these, you find out total cash inflows. And now cash payments. You have payment for inventory, operating expense, investment in equipment, debt payments, and dividend. Total how much? 11,915, and the balance is 92. So do we have that budget to maintain this 70 million, at least 70 million? Answer is yes. And how much additional money we have for other investments or other thing? 22. If you write it down, if you don't write, this section, even then it is good. You can just mention that we have additional amount. So for example, we have appropriate amount for 70 million to proceed, or we have the required amount. It's good. So this one is to find out additional investment. This is extra. Everyone, you understand that? Making cash budget is so easy, right? Sipade, Minsu,
Yeah.
Arone,
Yes.
Junpyo, Min, Misha, Ping Ping.
Yep.
Right? Okay, let's move further. What's going on here? Okay. Yes, so there is a breakout room activity, which is a group activity. So I want you guys to participate in making cash budget, right? So please take a picture. Meanwhile, I am establishing breakout room. So please guys take a picture, and I'm making breakout room. Here we go. Please accept the breakout room activity. Ping Ping and Jafar, please accept our breakout room activity. Okay, everyone. So ideally, I would allow you, or I would suggest you to please allot yourself 5 or 10 minutes to read the question and then try to discuss. This is a group activity, okay? It means I am expecting only one file from you guys. Okay, and don't forget to write your name and student ID.
Sure.
Okay, group 2. So ideally, I would suggest you guys to allow yourself 5 to 10 minutes to read the question and then participate in the solution. So this is a group activity. It means I am expecting one file from you guys. Okay, please do not forget to write your student ID and name. Okay.
I'm sorry, sir. Can you please repeat one more time what you said?
So this is a group activity. So you only need to make one file, one cash budget file. That's it. And do not forget to write your name and student ID. Okay.
So we're returning you just one file, right, with all of ours ID
Yeah.
on.
Yes. Okay. Okay, group 3, Ping Ping and Sipaday.
Yes, sir.
Unfortunately, Jafar Khan is not responding, so he would be your third partner, but he's not here. So ideally, I request you to please give yourself 10 minutes to read the question and then participate in making the cash budget. So I would be needing one file from this group. This is a group activity, okay?
Okay, do we need to send the file to the group chat after
Yes.
we do it?
Yes, to the group chat.
Okay.
This is in-class group activity, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to give you 15, I'm not 15, I'm going to give you 20 minutes to complete that one. Okay, good luck. Hello.
Sir, hello, sir. Is issuance of stock, that's an inflow, right?
Yeah, inflow.
I don't know what on my upload. All right.
Very easy task, sir.
Yeah, we're pretty much done.
We are almost done, okay? Let me ask from other groups as well.
Sir, just to
Yeah.
make sure, can we automatically say that all types of payments and purchases are outflows in the outflows part?
Yes, outflow part.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Миш,
Yeah.
меня этот по маркетингу midterm так бесит, это что-то. Я просто хочу вот как-нибудь в Италии с ним встретиться на пляже где-то и влупить ему за то, что он нам такой маркетинг этот дал.
Слушай, там не так уж и много, на самом деле. Там страницы всего там 2-3. Там достаточно все
Не,
просто.
прочитать не проблема, мне сейчас надо полностью все PPT пройти, чтобы какую-то
Слушай,
подходящую
я
эту...
бачу.
Okay. Who's this?
It was mine.
Okay. Okay, everybody done?
Yeah.
Yes.
Group 1, group 2, group 3, right?
Who was in the group? Our group?
Yeah, we didn't get group numbers.
Okay.
So my group was Misha and Min.
The name and student ID, right?
Could you repeat, please?
Did you write it down, the name and student ID of your group members?
Misha, I'm not sure. Misha was on behalf of our group writing.
Yeah, so we had, I'm not sure about the student ID, but
Okay, write down the
do
name.
you want like the written answer? Because I just wrote a not very pretty column instead of the budget.
Misha, Min, and David.
And David, yeah. Do I need to send the answer to you?
Yes, send it to the group.
Okay.
And Arone, Junpyo, Minsu, you are in group 2. And Sipadi and Ping Ping. Jafar Khan is out of this world. He's not answering. Did you start sending the picture? Guys, please start sending your work. SIP a day. Okay. Okay. The third one. Misha.
Yeah, I'm just trying to take a picture on my phone.
Hmm. Okay, let's do that. And let me read the question and also give you insight whether you did correct or made a small mistake. Okay. Tom Peterson, the CFO, is responsible for Gateway Golf cash budget for 2015. The budget will help Peterson determine the amount of long-term borrowings needed to end the year with a cash balance of 135,000. Means they need to maintain the balance of cash for 135,000. So Peterson's assistants have assembled budget data for 2015, which the computer printed in alphabetical order. Okay. Not all the data items reproduced below are using in preparing cash budget. So actual cash balance December 31st, 2014, 145 is our cash budget item. Yes. Do we have the total asset budgeted our cash item? No. Current assets or cash budgeted item? No. Current liabilities? No. Total liabilities? No. Budgeted total stockholders equity? No. Cash collection from customers? Yes. Dividend payments? Yes. Issuance of stocks is inflow? Yes. Right? Net income? No. Payment for long-term debt? Yes. Payment for operating expense? Yes. Payment for inventory item? Yes. Purchase of property and equipment with cash? Yes. So it means we have inflow 1, 2,